Hello! Today we are catching up with the trend and making healthy Dalgona cupcakes. Here's how to make it. In a deep bowl, put 40 grams of sugar, 40 grams of instant coffee and 40 milliliters of water or milk. Then blend the ingredients with the help of a blender until it stiffens and starts forming peaks. The idea is mixing equal proportions of each ingredient until it forms a creamy foamy mixture. When it's done, set aside and refrigerate until you bake the cupcakes and they are cold. When you are done with Dalgona, place 2 ripe bananas in a bowl and add half a cup of molasses or agave or honey, whichever you like. Start mashing bananas with a fork. Then add 2 eggs into the mixture and mix until the eggs are incorporated. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 a cup of walnut oil, 1/3 a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and whisk it. Then add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal. Combine them together and when mixture forms a batter, portion the batter out into baking tins. Send them to oven for 15 minutes at 180 Celsius and for another 10 minutes at 120 Celsius. When they are done and cooled down, put the Dalgona frosting on top of the cakes and sprinkle with some chocolate pieces. And here you go! Have a delicious and trendy cupcake! Hope you try this recipe because it's really good. Thanks for watching and leave a like if you liked it and tell us in the comments what would you like to see in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.